Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to remove a wall shelf from your drywall. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a battery-powered drill with a Phillips tip bit. On a lot of shelving units, on the underside there are screws that hold the shelf into place. First step is to go ahead and remove those. After the screws are removed, go ahead and take the shelf off of the brackets. Now we're going to use our drill to remove the mounting screws from the drywall. Now if you want to hide those holes, you can go ahead and take some spackling compound and cover those holes up with a putty knife. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with this project.